Okay, let's have a look at what we've got so far then. So we've got this level. If we run it, we can run back and forward. We've got a nice kind of background now, but we can still do a lot better. Let's add a little bit of danger, and then let's add some depth and layers to our room as well. Okay, so first up, I'm going to go to my ground kind of tile set layer, and I'm going to zoom in here. And remember, you can pop some of these side bits away if you don't need them right now. And let's make a hole. So I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to use the basic pencil one, which will allow me to work with one kind of block at a time. And I'm going to make a hole here, and I'm going to use this tile so that I've got a little bit of grass growing down the side so it looks a little bit more realistic. Let's go further along. So that was 3 blocks. Let's go along here and add one that's going to be 4 blocks. And let's zoom out. What do we have? Okay, let's leave it at that for just now. And I'm not going to test it right now. I'm going to pop up these things, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of asset layers as well. So let me go to assets. Over here, I'm going to have one here, and I'm going to rename it to, let's just call it front trees. And let's go and find some trees. Blocks, editor, foreground. Aha, some trees. So this is a special asset layer that is going to allow us to actually drag some sprites and drop them straight into the screen. Okay, I can't attach any code to this stuff. It's just purely there as aesthetics, decoration. So here's a tree. Here's my level. You can see that it's way too big. We can click on it, and I can just move to the corner, and I can move it about. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio, you hold down the Shift key. Okay, and yeah, there's a tree. So that's a tree that's going to be, I guess I called it the front. So these ones are going to be in front of the player, and I'll show you what that means in a little second. So let's have one there, and I'm going to drag different ones each time. Okay, let's have one here. Don't need it to be so massive. Hold down the Shift key, and they could pop out the screen a little bit. And then let's maybe add one more right at the end here, and hold down the Shift key and make this one a little bit smaller. I'll put that right there. Okay, so these are the front trees. So when I run, they're going to be in front of the camera, so the player's going to be hidden behind them. For that to happen, I need to drag them above the instance layer where my player is. Okay. Let's make some trees that are going to be background trees. So a new asset layer, right click, rename, back, oh, I forgot that underscore, back trees. And I'm just going to use the same old trees. I'm going to drag them up here. I'm going to resize them. There's probably a way that you could actually go in and do something interesting with them, like kind of flip them round. I'm not, here it is here. So I can flip them that way just to give them an appearance of looking a little bit different. And maybe I can make this one a bit bigger. And I'll add one of these over here. And I'm not going to bother flipping this one. Oh, I'm just going to drag it first if I can get it. And then let's leave this one here. Okay, and I'll drag this lower so it's underneath my instance layer. Okay, let's see what this does. Run our game. Okay, let's go and test out. So we run behind this. This is the front tree, so it's in front of us. And we go in front of that one. Oh no, our jump is too puny. And we also have got a problem where nothing happens, we aren't respawning. And if you'd noticed, we also ran into the side of this kind of edge of the pit here because we don't have horizontal collisions yet. So let us stop for now here, and we'll make a new video where we'll hopefully try and address some of that stuff.